In our backyard, watch as we dig where shovels meet earth in a rhythmic rig. Together we craft a reflective place, a mirror for skies and nature's embrace. When Mom grows weary, we all pitch in, even Charlotte the dog with her dirt-covered chin. Side by side in the soil we stand, shaping dreams with each handful of sand. With lining laid flat and edges tucked tight, our pond starts to take shape, holding dreams, not just water, just right. Stone upon stone, with care we build, a fortress for fish where water is filled. Water flows in as plants find their home around the new pond where Earth's creatures roam. Lilies afloat and water plants spread. We dip tired feet in our new water bed. The coolness soothes with every touch in our backyard haven we love so much. Now for the centerpiece, our Hydria so fine with a fish fountainhead that will shimmer and shine. Watch as it's set, so simple, so quick, a magical scene with a few clever tricks. Under the water, the fish gently sway, with Hydria's splash to guide their way. Round the pond, joys in the air, games, stories, laughter we share. Hand in hand, smiles gleam bright, family and friends from day into night. Have any ideas or something to show? Let's have a chat in the comments below. A dance of droplets, a cascade of light, our pond now a haven of day and of night. As dusk falls, LEDs ignite, a spectrum of colors breaks the night. A peaceful pond under starlit skies, where the night sings softly as daylight dies. With hands and hearts, we've crafted this space, a tranquil retreat, our special place. Hydria brings life where water flows. In our backyard paradise, joy forever grows. If this journey has captured your gaze, don't leave us just yet. There's more to amaze. Subscribe for more, give a like if you care. Join our channel's family, adventures to share.